Hello everyone, welcome back in Python tutorial for beginner series. In this video tutorial, we will discuss about Python keywords. So, keywords are special words which are reserved and have a specific meaning. These keywords are used to define the syntax and structure of the Python language. We cannot use a keyword as variable name, function name or any other identifier. And keywords are case sensitive in Python. Okay, so if you want to know what are the keywords are present in Python, so for that to get the updated list of keywords, we can get it in two ways. First way is, first we need to import keyword module in Python shell and run this command to get the updated list of keywords. So we can see here is the list of all Python keywords. And the another way to get the updated list of keywords is we can use help command in Python shell to get the all updated keywords list. So these are the two ways to get the updated list of keywords. We cannot give these keywords name to programmable entities like any class, function, variables, etc. in Python. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.